So what you can also do is you can add and utilize comment bank inside of Google Classroom. So you can see that I have an essay submission over here. So I'm just going to go around over here and access out the essay submission by the student. And what happens is that I get the commenting area right here, just like this. So now in order to go around and work around with the comment bank, you can go around over here onto the comment bank section. So what happens is that sometimes a lot of students might actually submit your work, and you might want to have similar type of comments ready so that you don't have to retype the comments each and every time. So in that case, you can go around and click on add to bank, and you can go around and add in a comment. For example, excellent right here, just like this, excellent right here, click on add. And what happens is that excellent is now added in as a comment bank. You can simply go around over here and add to bank and say, let's say for example, very good, but research can be improved right here, just like this. So you can see that you can have multiple line of comments right here as well. So that is what you have. And as you add in multiple lines, you can see that this is what you have. So you can see that there's 3 comments now. So I'm just going to go around and say poor, and I'm going to go around and say like, let's say for example, not acceptable, and let's say for example, please redo. And you can go around and add in these comments, and they're all added onto the comment bank, as you can see. So now what you can simply do is you can simply go around and choose the comment that you like, and then over here you can simply go around and paste it out right here and post it, so you don't have to retype it out. So whenever you open up any assignment, you have access to all of these comments bank right here, and then you can simply go around and copy it to clipboard right here, and then go around and paste it around over here, just like this, and then click on post to go around and give the comment to the assignment in Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.